Hey guys, today's gonna be fun because I'm gonna show you a tip using the Mega Square to check if your welded frames are accurately welded together. And the problem is, after you're done welding a square, you typically have rounded corners. It's really difficult to pull an accurate measurement with rounded corners when pulling diagonal. And even if you were to stab the tape measure into the corner, you still don't have an accurate location to pull a measurement from. If I put him right there, use the tabs, because it's always nice to have an extra hand. I can hook the tape measure on that flat spot and then come over here and have a nice crisp line with the edge of the square here, and I can pull a measurement. And come over here and use my tape measure. You can see that, what do we look like? 27/8. And then we can quickly just move it over to the other side and we can repeat the process. And this is 21. So we know that this frame is not square and something's wrong with it. And I can confirm that this square is not square. So this process works good when each side of your frame is identical. But what happens if you have something like this? You can use the thumb screws or these round pegs, and I can hook it and I can pull an accurate measurement. So we're at 27 9/16. Now let's put them into the other corners. Slide him over here, slide him over here, and then we'll pull. Look at that. 27 9/16. Pretty good. So this is one way to use the squares to get an accurate measurement to see if you've built your square correctly. If you think that this square can help you out, you can find it at fireballtool.com.